What if the classroom you walk into today launches the career everyone dreams about tomorrow? Welcome to IPMC University College, where world-class education meets real-world results. State-of-the-art classrooms, cutting-edge labs, a campus built for the future and the people who will shape it. Here, learning isn't passive. It's powerful, it's personal, it's purposeful. Thousands of graduates, hundreds of industries, one common starting point, IPMC. Our alumni aren't just employed, they are leading companies, launching startups, and changing lives. This isn't just a university. This is where ordinary students become extraordinary professionals. Your ambition deserves more than a desk. It deserves a destination. IPMC University College. Apply today. Your future doesn't wait, and neither should you.